Has someone blocked you on Instagram and you need to unblock them urgently? This video is going to show you how to do exactly that. So follow my steps. I've now opened an Instagram account which I'll block for the purpose of this video. This account is called MarshallJohnson028. So I've now blocked the account, and then I'll switch over to the Marshall account in order to unblock myself. If I now try to search for the World Pictures account, which is the first account from the video, I can't see it in the search results. Or if I do find it and open the account, it's going to say that the account has no posts, even though my profile has over 1,000 posts and reels, which means that the person has blocked us. So in order to unblock ourselves, we will need help from a third Instagram account. You can ask a friend or a family member to help you out with this, because that third account is going to help us with the unblocking process. I'm going to go over to a third account, which is this SciGuide account, then hop over to your Instagram messages. We will then click on this new chat button at the top right in order to create a new Instagram group. And in this group, you want to add your Instagram account, which you want to unblock. And in this case, it's the Marshall Johnson account. And also add the second account, which blocked you, which in this case is this World Pictures 028 account. I'm then going to send a random message and the chat will be created. You can now switch over to your Instagram account and then send messages to the person which has blocked you. When they open the chat, they'll get a little message that this chat contains a person which they had blocked. But they can open the chat and they can see your messages and your profile picture. That's a little trick of unblocking yourself. You won't be able to see their posts or their followers, but at least you can send them messages.